Hey Northwest, I'm Riley Cooley and this is your Northwest Minute. Juniors and seniors, the RCSD Career Expo is March 20th at the Heinz Clyde Muse Center. Explore internship, apprenticeship, and summer job opportunities as well as permanent job opportunities with leading employers like Amazon, Continental Tire, Tesla, and more. Monday, March 18th is the last day to turn in your permission form to Ms. Ramsey. If you didn't get one and want to go, see Mr. Riley, our career counselor in Tom's, or Ms. Ramsey in the counselor's office. Congratulations to these 4 NWRHS seniors on receiving scholarships by the American Exchange Project to embark upon a free, all-expenses-paid 7-day adventure to the following cities this summer. Anaya Banks is heading to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Helena Daniels will be in New York City. Isabella Jimenez will go to Palo Alto, California. Harry Neo will be in Jasper, Texas. These seniors will also welcome 6 graduates from around the country to Flowood and the surrounding area during the week of June 19th through the 26th, prior to taking their individual trips this summer. If you or someone you know is interested in registering for this remarkable program or serving as a host family for our visiting students, please contact Ms. Hughes and Tom's 118. Yearbook presale is over, but you still might have a chance to get one if you didn't pre-order. All extra yearbooks will be sold after the day they are delivered later this year. Congratulations to the Northwest Rankin Wind Ensemble and Symphonic Band who performed at the MHSAA State Concert Evaluation this week. Both groups received all superior ratings in concert and sight reading. The Wind Ensemble also received the Sweepstakes Award, which is only given to programs who made all superior ratings at events, marching, concert, and sight reading throughout the year. Saturday, March 23rd, the Northwest Rankin Band will hold the Cougar Car Show and Spring Market. The event is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. here at the school and will help raise money for the band program. Come out and support the Northwest Rankin Cougar bands. Next week is spring break, so enjoy your time off and we'll see you back here in 10 days. The Northwest Minute is news for the student by the student. I'm Riley Cooley and thanks for watching.